Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check it out. There's only one thing that's cooler than a box of Lucky Charms and a 4-leaf clover. You know what that is? A freaking green Jeep. That's right. Check it out. So this, my friends, is my friend's Jeep. This is one of my best friend's Jeeps right here. He's the original owner. Okay. All the service has been done at the Jeep dealership direct. All the recalls, all the oil changes, stuff of that nature. So everything's been maintained meticulously well. The bumpers are color matched. He got them painted to match the truck. As you can see, it's got aftermarket, the Halo aftermarket lights on it. The JW speakers, Evolution J, kick-ass lights, high intensity discharged lights, HIDs, baby, as well as the fog lights too. The engine's clean as hell. Of course, you guys know it's a 6-banger, the good stuff. All these new Unlimiteds, love them. Really clean underneath. Super well taken care of. Let's move forward with that. And we'll go from there. So here it is. A few small spots on it, guys. It's a Sahara Edition Wrangler Unlimited. 4-door T-tops. There's the top right there. The undercarriage, you guys love it when I show you the undercarriage because I'm not hiding shit, and here we go. Boom! Right there. That's not any puddle of friggin' oil or fucking antifreeze. All it is, guys, is AC. I'm sweating my balls off out here. That's all it is. See how clean underneath is? Look at that. No rust, nothing like that. Frame's in great shape, as you can see. A little bit of hate right here. Nothing too crazy though. Original window sticker. You know my buddy. You know what type of, you guys know what type of guy I am. You know what type of people I hang out with. Meticulous, very clean people. And with that said, look at this Jeep. Floor's in immaculate condition underneath. Nothing to hide there. Immaculate condition. Original window sticker. How OCD is that? How you like me now? Here's the two. It's got two tops. It's got the soft top too. Here's all the soft top and all the equipment for the soft top. It's got the factory sound bar. It's got the oh shit handles on front and on rear. He's got aftermarket door handles on it. It makes a nice sound when you close it, like a solid jingle. Sounds kind of kick-ass. It's cool. Seats are in great shape. Small little spots here and there from girls with jeans and shit like that. So WeatherTech's all the way around. There's your knobs, your ice cold AC it blows. You get your heated seats, your if you want to plug your 12 volt in right there, or your AC, whatever the hell you call that damn thing, the hair dryer, you plug your hair dryers in. I don't know, go plug a lamp in or something. I don't care. You get your downhill descent right here. You get your traction control, driver heated seat, navigation, no backup camera. This is for your phone right there for a mount that he's leaving in it. You got all your knobs and everything. Two compartments right there. You got all your knobs and everything in here for the plug holes for the bottom of the when you want to go off-roading, which this Jeep has never been off-roading. My buddy is a pavement princess. I lie you not. A pavement princess with this damn thing. Recon backlights or whatever you call it, the LED backlights right here. It's got a rugged ridge fifth wheel support, guys. Now this is a very expensive, this is like a $500 unit right here. Just this piece that holds on the tire carrier. And let me tell you why. Because when you guys throw on these big aftermarket tires, you can go ahead and get the cheap shit for them. The spacers, that all it does is it allows you to bolt a bigger tire on, a 20x12 wheel with a 35 on it, or whatever you're gonna throw on there. But the only thing is the factory tailgate and hinges can't carry that weight. Well, they can, but over time you'll start to hear it and bouncing around and crap. That's the reason why. You need a rugged, solid, thick steel tailgate hinge carrier that's gonna, help that out. Fifth wheel door with the same bracketry on it, or the same covers on it, chrome covers. I gotta move kind of quick this video because we're getting kind of up there in time. Factory Infinity sound system subwoofer. Chrome gas Jeep door cap. Can't even speak right now. I'm hungry as hell and I'm hot. These are fuel wheels, guys. They're a kick-ass looking wheel. They're 18 inches. And they're wrapped in a 305 60 18-inch Mickey Thompson Baja MTZ. They're P3 wheel tires. They're a kick-ass tire. Not really a lot of road noise. Awesome traction. You get a lot of use out of these. They're really good. What else can I tell you about it? Driver's seat's in great shape, as you can see. That's, thank God for the step rails, getting in and out of that nice and easy. Yeah, let's take a step back. The Jeep has 123,000 miles on it. All right, maintained, fellas. Passing inspection, brand new oil change. I just dropped it off for him. 20% window tint all the way around. So let's take a step back and recap on the Lucky Charms 4-leaf clover edition Jeep. No, honestly, it gets a lot of attention, guys. It's a kick-ass Jeep. Here's how the tires stick out, not too far past the fender wells, if any, maybe a half an inch, if that. I'm 6 foot tall, so this is Anthony. This goes out to you, brother. Thanks for always recommending that. 6 foot tall. Here's the Jeep, so I stand probably almost a little bit 2 inches shorter than the Jeep. There you have it, guys. It's not too big of a lift, not too extreme. This is a 3-inch lift kit with some awesome mud terrain tires. If you guys have any questions, holler at me. Holla. It's 540-848-2974. Click the link below where you see 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. Click all that. Subscribe to me, guys. Hit notification button so you'll see whenever I post some crazy shit or new videos or stuff that you'll maybe want to do to your truck. Maybe I'll have it and I'll go over the video on it or what's going on, and or something that you want to buy. Holler at me. This is the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Sahara lime green. There you have it, guys. All right, peace out. Hope all is well, everybody. Subscribe. I'm getting hungry for some Lucky Charms. Peace out.